Hi Jamaicans.com, this is Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt and I'm here with another episode of Reason with Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt. And as you come in, just tell me if you're excited about Christmas. You know, Christmas it's not really a full month yet, but it's almost a month away and I am excited because it's my favorite time of the year. I love December just because you have two, not just one, but two holidays in that month. And well, is it in that month? Because well, yeah, I mean, you just have a nice little week or a couple of days off, which is great because trust me, we all need a break. So as you come in, just tell me where you're watching us from. This is another episode of Reason with Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt. I'm Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt, and you know, every week I try to dedicate at least 15 or 20 minutes with you guys just to share my thoughts about trending topics. So right now, Christmas is in the air. The holiday season is right around the corner. I'm feeling it on my end because I'm seeing so much more work being done. I work in media, so that means that the advertisers want more outside broadcasts, they want more ads, they want to be promoting their products and their services and the sales and the discounts and the freeness and the everything. They are ready for Christmas. Are you ready for Christmas? I can tell you right now, we are facing something that I describe as Festive Fury. Meaning, you know, when it gets so hectic, your tempers flare and people are just very, how should I say, snappy. Like they become very snappy. I don't know if you have had that experience. Are you guys hearing me? You're a bit quiet today. I want to know if you're hearing me and hearing me clearly. Please tell me where you're connecting from. I see quite a number of people coming in. I want to see my usuals. I want you guys to look out for my feature every week. But yes, as I was telling you, Christmas is right around the corner. We're closing out 2018, looking out for 2019, and everybody is trying to get something or try to end the year with a bang. And because of that, oh geez, I can tell you from my end, and not only at work but even in public spaces, people are just antsy. They're just antsy. They have so many things doing. Are you feeling that? Is that your experience wherever you are? It's crazy. And I mean, while it's important for us to put out our best and set goals and make an effort to achieve them, we still have to remember that there are other months in the year. Life still goes on. So if during this time of the year you're going to be very antsy, very snappy, very hostile, then you probably have less friends in January. That's just the truth. Alright, I see quite a number of people coming in. Tell me where you're connecting from. If you can hear me clearly. Are you hearing me clearly? And we're talking about today Festive Fury. One of the things that I do like about the Christmas or the holiday season, because I know some people do not celebrate Christmas, it's an opportunity to spend time with your family. So everyone, well, most people can agree that December holiday, especially Jamaicans, you want to spend time with your family. So you're going to do all that you need to do at work, all that you need to do in the house, all that you need to take care of, pay the bills, all of that, just so that you can have enough time for just say, yeah, I did it. I went through another year. I successfully, and I have my family around me to celebrate that success. So I decided to talk about it this week, because I think it's important for us to recognize that even though it may get a little bit hectic at this time as we try to close out the year, we have to be very careful about how we engage with each other, because as I tell you, working in media, oh geez, this is probably the least favorite time in media, because you get your workload is already high, and then with this season with more advertisers. By the way, we love advertisers, so we're not saying advertisers shouldn't, you understand? Jamaicans.com love advertisers. So we're not saying that, but the workload increases, like it doubles, sometimes it triples. And when you would usually expect to spend a 8-hour shift at work, you're probably spending a 16-hour shift. I'm not lying. I'm not even exaggerating. Days that you would not normally work, you're working. You may even end up working on Christmas Day. But that's my field. That's my area. What is it like in your area, in your career, at your workplace, in your hometown? Is it hectic? Do you feel the Christmas spirit? I can literally feel it. I feel a change in the temperature, so I have to pull for my blanket at nights, and I have to change some of the clothes that I would usually wear for work. And did you know, I learned this just yesterday. Did you know that the change in temperature actually affects how much cooking gas you use? And that's why most times them always say, why your gas always end up finishing December? It's because it may be, I don't want to say that's the sole reason, but it may be because the temperature has changed, right? I don't like how you guys aren't interacting with me today. I don't know. Let me see if the comment section is right there. Of all the people who are tuned in, and I see the numbers keep increasing, let me know if you're hearing me clearly. Let me know if you're feeling that festive fury. And if you know what, if what I'm saying makes sense. If you're just joining me, I'm talking about Festive Fury. The holiday season is upon us, and basically what I identify to be festive fury is just that antsy behavior among people. It's most prominent among Jamaicans, because we can be animated people where we're trying to get everything done at the last minute, trying to ensure we close out the year with a bang, and we may be a little bit harsh towards each other. We may be a little bit anxious, and because things are a little bit more hectic than any other time of the year. I'm just reminding you guys to just be mindful of how you treat people. And I myself, as a supervisor, I have to be mindful of that as well, because my team members will take great offense to my behavior if it is that I snap for every little thing that they do wrong. They probably decide to, after Christmas I'm not coming back to this job. I don't want to have to deal with her behavior. So I think it's important for us, even though I'm not telling no lie, it's not easy, even though I wonder if you're not hearing me clearly, and I think I've been doing this unconsciously. I keep covering the mic. Let me know if you're hearing me clearly, guys. So I have to make a conscious effort to not allow the hectic climate just completely change my behavior, and I get so boisterous. I hope you guys are looking forward to close out the year with so many success stories. I hope you intend to give back to whoever or whichever families or group of people who may not be able to afford to have a big bang Christmas dinner or holiday party. I hope also that you are already making preparations for 2019, because look here, whether you're ready or not, January 1 is up on us. Alright, so I won't be here for long because I realize you guys are a little bit quiet, a little bit observant, and if you're watching this video when it ends, you can always comment. I really like engaging with you guys, so I will respond to all comments that you post. And yeah, thank you for watching. So this is another episode of Reason with Ashleigh, a very short episode this time around because I realize you guys are not as talkative and it's reasoning with me, so I want you to reason with me. Feel free at the end of this video to send me to leave a comment, to share, to like. We're still recording. Facebook still records all of this interaction, and feel free to follow me on all the other platforms. On Instagram, I'm A Mowatt. On Twitter, I'm A_Mowatt. I'm on Facebook, Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt, and you can actually click you can click my name in the description for this video, and it brings you directly to my page. So I look forward. It's actually about to rain here. I look forward to engaging with you guys at another time, and thank you again for watching.